Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am working on a custom Smart Doll Coco Girl. I made this wig, and I'm pretty doggone proud of it. This does not fit. I'm very aware that this is the wrong size. I bought a wig pattern, or a wig cap pattern, on Etsy that when I made it for Smart Dolls, it was made for Smart Dolls. I did everything exact, measured, the pattern and everything. And it was too big, so I had to take it down. So what I tried to do was tweak the pattern. I'm still working on it. But this is what it looked like. This is swimsuit fabric, and it has elastic, 7 inches of elastic. And Darren made, I saw Beth Ramston had something similar to this, what do we want to call this?
Styling stand? Wig stand?
There you go, wig stand. That she was working on a wig, and I asked Darren to print this. This is 3 different pieces. The cap is your design, right? This cap?
Not really. I made the cap. I took Danny's cap, which from his site,
right,
which doesn't have the, I don't know what you want to call it, the connecting parts that cause it to stay attached to the head.
Yeah.
That's what I designed and added
and
to
reworked
the wig,
it,
to the cap. In this case, I didn't need that because I was gluing it on.
Right. Anyway, this is a Danny Chu model, 3D model head and cap that didn't need the pieces that Darren designed. And this was on Thingiverse, and we just glued that to make it easier. And what I did to make this big full wig, how many hours do you think I have hours and hours and hours on this wig. What I would do is turn on a TV show, usually about an hour long, and I would take this one's kind of frayed, but you'll get the idea. I would cut some pieces and lay them out, put it through the needle, put that in the wig, in and out real quick, about this far apart, and then tie it in a knot and get the next piece. We're talking hours on end. I bought this, the needle you can get, it's just a big needle. And the hair came from Hobby Lobby. It was not expensive. In fact, I bought this on clearance. So I had that because I have these, and they are chaos heads. And I wanted this one, pulled this one out, and I didn't realize it at the time till this morning. But I have 2 chaos Coco heads. So I can do 2 heads with the one body if I want, and they're different. I love that. This one's semi-real, and this one is anime. And then Darren took Danny's design on Culture Japan for 3D printing for the cap, but Darren added the lip that goes into the head. So once we cut this off, which I will not be doing it, I'd make a mess, cut the eyes out, and then he 3D printed eyes off Thingiverse. He's already started the pupils, as you can see. He's going to print Smart Doll eyes, not print, well, yes, print and what do you call that, resin eyes for me. He's trying some different pupils. For the eyes, can I put those in here for right now?
Just set them anywhere you want.
Okay. So let me show you what I bought my wig, which is kind of a joke, but it really isn't. And I got a really, really good deal on eBay. As you can see, I bought, let's see if I can do this, yes. I bought a body on eBay, and I had been watching for one. I bought another one on eBay, really inexpensive, and a few have come up, and should have bought that cinnamon one, but that money only spends once, and I hate that song. Oh, Bob Seger and his "You Just Can't Have It All." Oh, What an insult. I want it all. So I found this body, and it came in the box, and look, the old style tote bag, which I love. I've actually taken these, I bought some of these on eBay, just the bag, and made purses and other bags out of them. So what we have here is an inexpensive body for my project here. When will this be done? Oh my goodness, we are so busy.
Last week?
No kidding. Summertime for Darren and I is, we try to ride our bikes, and that pretty much takes the whole morning.
Well, plus mowing.
Plus mowing 2 times a week, 2 days a week, I mean, every week. And then we have the animals, and we're trying to get pins and whatnot settled. So we're pretty busy around here. She has the old style, the Gen 2 body, which does not bother me one bit. Not a bit. But she even came with her underwear. Boy, she's in good shape. Good shape. I am thrilled. And her stand, her care sheet, and the box, which is very, very cool. What I will do, well, I won't do it right now because I'm not ready for the body. I'll take her underwear off. I don't use those. That's just bulk underneath. This is plastic. There's nothing to cover for protection or not show. It's plastic. It's just a doll. So I take these off and file them. And I'll need to get my face up done. But that's what I am working on, and man, I'm glad to have her. I will use her for a model. I keep buying a body for clothing model, and then I put a head on it, and then I buy another body. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.